Welcome to Right Choose. Top 7 Best Sewing and Embroidery Machine in 2025. Top 1. S1501 Commercial Embroidery Machine with 15 needles, 14x20 embroidery area, 1200 SPM max speed, 12 touch screen, Wi-Fi available, capable of embroidering on 3D caps, flat, t-shirt and more. Best machine to start embroidery business, S1501 Commercial Embroidery Machine with 15 needles, 14 inches x 20 large embroidery area, max speed of 1200 SPM, 12 inches touch screen, Wi-Fi available, 270 wide angle cap system, laser positioning, automatic color change and smart control system, which is the most classical embroidery machine and best choice to start your embroidery business. Friendly learning curve. You can search and join in our group Smart Stitch Embroidery Machine Club. Our professional support team with best customer service and thousands of experienced users will make your learning curve for S1501 Commercial. Top 2. By the Mirror Embroidery Machine 20x14 Embroidery Area with 15 needles, 1200 SPM max speed multi-needle commercial embroidery machine for 3D hats clothing, Wi-Fi available 10 inches touch screen. In Stitch i5 computer system. The newly upgraded electronic control system comes with a 1 to 3 step operation guidance interface, making the embroidery machine operation learning easier and the response faster. Commercial embroidery machine has intelligent 3D head embroidery, stride jump functions, is better at embroidering structural hats. Wide range of preset accessories. By Head Embroidery Machine have prepared most of the accessories, you don't need to repurchase other accessories. You can use our mirror machine to embroider on hats, t-shirts, hoodies, jeans, jackets, bags, leather, shoes, patches and so on. High working speed? Multi-needle hat embroidery machine can reach up to 1,200 stitches per minute in 5 seconds. Top 3. S1001 Upgraded Embroidery Machine with 10 needles, 1200 SPM max speed, 7 inches touch screen, 9.5 inches x 14.2 embroidery area, new gen of commercial embroidery machine for flat, hat, t-shirt and more. Large embroidery hoop area. This automatic embroidery machine for hats and clothing is equipped with a large area embroidery hoop with size 20x 14.17, which can accommodate a large number of embroidery designs and provides plenty of space for your embroidery patterns. Top 4. S1001 Upgraded Embroidery Machine with 10 needles, 1200 SPM max speed, 7 inches touch screen, 9.5 inches x 14.2 embroidery area, new gen of commercial embroidery machine for flat, hat, t-shirt and more. Large embroidery hoop area. This automatic embroidery machine for hats and clothing is equipped with a large area embroidery hoop with size 20x 14.17, which can accommodate a large number of embroidery designs and provides plenty of space for your embroidery patterns. Top 5. Brother SE2000 Computerized Sewing and Embroidery Machine. Art Spiral Mobile app, access 50 free embroidery designs, make custom embroidery patterns by drawing on your mobile device, or download patterns from the collection and transfer them to your SE2000 wirelessly. Wireless LAN enabled, transmit embroidery files from your PC to your sewing and embroidery machine via the free downloadable software design database transfer, 1, or connect via the built-in USB port, sewing and embroidery in one. With a host of over 190 built-in and 50 downloadable embroidery designs with 13 embroidery fonts, 241 sewing stitches, modern technology, plus the convenience of easy portability, the SE2000 will be your go-to machine. Top 6. EOC06 Embroidery Machine 7.9 x 11-inch Large Hoop for Beginners, Computerized 7-inch Touchscreen, Machine Embroidery Gifts, includes, hoops, thread, USB, stabilizer, bobbins, home embroidery machine. Urgent action-oriented, important note, inspect your item upon delivery and contact us within 24 hours for any issues. Social media support? Search Poolin Embroidery Machine groups on Facebook to join us. We will provide free one-to-one after-sales service from engineers to better start your embroidery career. The official YouTube channel Poolin welcomes you to follow for teaching videos and real usage feedback. Max Embroidery Area 7.9 x 11-inch. This computerized embroidery machine comes with 2 pieces 5.5 x 5.5 inch, 1 pieces 8 x 8 inch and 7.9 x 11-inch hoops, large enough embroidery area to meet your business for clothing, t-shirt, beddings, ideal for embroidered designs on bags, wallets, and
Top 7.
Brother SC700 Sewing and Embroidery Machine, Wireless LAN Connected, 135 built-in designs, 103 built-in stitches, computerized, 4 inches x 4 inches hoop area, 3.7 inches touchscreen display, 8 included feet, white. Sewing and embroidery in one. The SC700 is the ideal machine to start your sewing and embroidery journey with a host of built-in designs, fonts, patterns, and cutting-edge technology. Wireless LAN enabled, transmit embroidery files from your PC to your sewing and embroidery machine via the free downloadable software design database Transfer 1. Or connect via the built-in USB port. ArtSpiro mobile app. Make custom embroidery patterns by drawing on your mobile device, or download patterns from the collection and transfer them to your SC700 wirelessly. 4 inches x 4 inches embroidery field. Check out the description link for more information. Thanks for watching. Please like and share, don't forget to subscribe.